Hey guys, it's Prachi and today I'm going to show you how I apply my kajal because kajal is the one thing that always used. Ever since I started doing makeup, kajal has been the one thing that has always been there. I started applying kajal when I was in school and I think it's true for a lot of girls out there. Usually girls start applying kajal. By the way, this video is going to be very long because I'm in a very talkative mood today. I have a lot to share. I'm doing one of these videos after a long time, guys, and I really want to talk and share things, okay? So, yes, I started applying kajal when I was in school, and there's a funny story. I used to wear specs and I had minus 5.75 power, which meant that I was practically blind without my specs. So I actually saved my pocket money. I bought a pair of lenses, and the lens didn't even suit me because whenever I would wear lens, I would have like itching and irritation in my eyes. But I wouldn't give up. Like I just had to do that because I wanted to wear kajal and eyeliner. Till I show you how I use my kajal as eyeliner. And I have like a very easy hack because I've seen girls fiddling with it and getting getting issues when they're trying to use eyeliner or kajal or whatever. So I'll just show that to you. So yeah, just to show off my kajal, I used to do that. And I think the best thing about kajal is that there are a lot of girls out there who'll say, I don't wear makeup, but I apply kajal. So it's the one thing that girls just usually love using. And yeah, it's a great thing, highlighting your eyes. First of all, it gives you really good pictures. If you want to look good in photographs, your makeup should consist of nice something for your eyes and lips. If you highlight these two features, half of the job is well done. And otherwise also, eyes are a very beautiful, a very important part of your face, so just highlight it. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to talk about. So now, okay, one more thing. Before I actually start showing you how I apply my kajal as eyeliner, just want to tell you guys something. So I have discovered this kajal from Quirky. I've actually kept the packaging intact because I wanted to show to you, although the kajal is out. It was right here, of course. The packaging is super cute. It's actually very quirky. It says over here, look too glam to give a damn. XOXO, and So this kajal is a Quirky badass kajal, and it retails for rupees 125. You get this exclusively on purple.com. However, half the time it's available on discount, so there's a good chance you'll get it at a lower price, but whatever the case is, 125 is still pretty affordable, right? So I'll put the link down in the description box below for this kajal if you want to check it out. I really like it because first of all, it's jet black. For me personally, I think kajal needs to be jet black because otherwise, it's not that much fun, and it just gives you a more bold look. When your kajal is jet black in color. Plus, it's smudge free. Actually, let me do a little swatch and let me I'll just pull the camera a little bit in the front, okay? So, my nose is so big. Okay, focus camera, focus. Okay, so I'll by the way, this is like a roll-on kajal, so that kind of makes it easier. Let me just, sorry guys, sorry. I'm filming the video myself today, so some adjustments to be made. So this is how beautiful and jet black the kajal is. You see that? Beautiful. I love the color, and the formula is going back. Okay. Okay, so the formula is like soft and creamy. It's just very easy to apply, and I love the color. I love how smooth it is. And let me just wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah, I need to wait for a couple of, okay, maybe a minute or so, and then I'll just show you. This kajal is actually smudge proof, and it's also waterproof. Okay, let me just allow a little bit of time for the kajal to settle down before I actually show you all that. And most importantly, what I love about this kajal, guys, is that it's not a kajal that will just fade away very easily, very quickly, or something like that. Like usually when you leave your home, you've done your makeup, you want the makeup to stay. Otherwise, you'll just be touching up your makeup, running to the restroom, and I don't like doing that. I mean, I used to be that girl who used to keep going to the restroom every half an hour, 1 hour to just touch up her makeup. But yeah, I have started coming across better beauty products now, and this is definitely one of those. So you don't need constant touch-ups. If you wear it in the morning, you're well sorted till afternoon, early evening, and I think that's pretty good. Alright, so 1 minute is over, and here's the kajal. Now I'll just show you that this is smudge proof, okay? Can you see that? And for the waterproof thing, let me show you how waterproof this is. So just dipping a little bit of cotton in water, squeezing it out. I wish I had a towel here, Done. Okay, there it is. I like it when, you know, you don't have to search for things, because half the time in my life I'm searching for things. I'm so badly organized in my life, I'm always searching for things. Half of my time is spent on searching for things. Anyways, not making this video any longer than it already is. Let me just show you how this product is completely waterproof. So I'm just putting this under running water over here. And there's a towel underneath, so don't worry, like I just said. And you see this? I'm just tapping it slightly with water. Of course, I don't want to rub it with water, but just slightly tapping this with water, which proves that if you step out in the rains wearing this kajal, or if you start crying, you had a fight with your boyfriend and you're crying, write a letter to Smile with Prachi. And second of all, even if you're crying, this kajal will not come off, you know. So yeah, it can take a little bit, not a little bit actually, quite a lot of water, because it's waterproof. Alright guys, so first things first, you don't want to pull, not a good idea, because it ruins the elasticity and then, you know, early wrinkles and things like that. One of the things that I like to do is to just rest my fingers on my cheek when I'm applying it. It just gives me a better grip, okay. Just start with the lower lash line. Bold look, you obviously want to you know, smudge it a little bit. Just go to the corners. One tip that I want to share over here guys is that if you have a lot of dark circles or eye bags, make it bold, but don't make it too bold, because it can actually highlight the dark circles, okay. And now I'm going to apply the kajal on the upper lid. So a lot of people, they tend to apply the kajal from the underside and then they go up like this. For me, applying kajal from the underside has never worked, because I just felt like it wasn't a great idea. Of course, it's a personal choice, okay? And just go with a basic thin line. I know this is very far from the eyelashes, but we'll get there. The idea is to just create a rough line first so you can actually fill things in. That's what we're doing now. We're just filling things in. The next step is completely optional, but if you want, you can just take a cotton bud and smudge your kajal. Now this kajal is smudge free, right? So you need to start smudging it right immediately after you're done applying your kajal, otherwise you'll not be able to get the smudgy effect. That's it guys, that's my quick bold kajal slash eyeliner look. Very easy to create. It just transforms your face in seconds, and you know, it's just like really easy. Also, I think this was a review video, so that was also my review for the Stay Quirky Badass Kajal. I'll put the link down in the description box below. And just above the description box guys, there's a button called the like button. It has a thumbs up option, and there's also a subscribe button. There's also a button with a bell icon on it, so just click on all of these buttons, and yeah, keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.